Hey everyone! Welcome to Super Kids Toys. Today we'll be opening planes and Spider-Man surprise eggs.
Ahoy there!
Hey Morgan.
Top of the morning to you.
Morgan, do you like Spider-Man?
Big fan of the Spider-Man. I know all of his secrets, but I'll never tell.
Well, let's open the first Spider-Man surprise egg.
I can't wait to see what treasures lay inside. What do we have here? Some sort of a map to buried treasure, is it? Oh no, it's just a flyer telling you all the things you can collect. And a Spider-Man sticker. Not going to tell you what his secret identity is, but it rhymes with liter and larker. And look at those star candies. You know, those remind me of starfish. Oh, what's this? Some sort of a shooting device. For battles.
What do you use during battles?
I use my words. Load the disc right in there. What do we have there? That's a Green Goblin. And you fire. Let's open another egg. A plane's egg. You know, I've never flown in a plane myself. More of a nautical man. I prefer to sail the seven seas on a ship.
Morgan, what's the name of your ship?
The Canterbury Tale. I don't know, I just made that up. What do we have there? Some sort of booty. And what did we get? A jingly jangly doodad thing where you spin it around and the silver ball goes around and around. It's quite fun. A flyer, collect them all. Pretty standard in these eggs, I'm finding. What do we have here? A sticker! Put that on the side of the Canterbury Tale. And then we open this. Oh, what do we have there? A biscuit. Put that in the galley. Take it for when we sail the seven seas. A nice little snack at tea time. I'm fine, I ate earlier, thank you. Oh, what do we have here? That's the jingly jangly doodad thing. As you see, you spin it around, and the silver ball goes about. You try and snag it in different corners and whatnot. Great way to pass the time.
Now let's open up the second Spider-Man surprise egg.
Let's. What did we find? Look at all those villains that Spider-Man must deal with. You know, with great power comes great responsibility. Another Spidey sticker. And some more star candy. Those remind me of a starfish, which once I had stuck to my face. Not fun. And look at that, we got another shooter. Now we can have shooter battles. And mount that atop of the cannon on the Canterbury Tale.
Now let's open up our last plane surprise egg.
I can't wait to see. You know, why haven't they made a movie about boats? They made cars, they made planes. When's boats coming?
They do have Pirates of the Caribbean.
That's very true. What did we find inside? Look at all the different devices. Right. Sticker. 7.
What's your favorite number, Morgan?
7, actually. Pretty pleased. Another biscuit. Ah, we're rich in biscuits. What do we get here? Another jangly, jangly, dingly, dangly, doodaddy thingy thing. Ah, now the two of us can jingle jangle at the same time.
Now, let's open up our last Spider-Man surprise egg.
Ah, let's see what we find. If we get another shooter, it's gonna be a battle of epic proportions, let me tell you. All right, Spidey, what do you hold in store? What do we got there? Oh, look at the sticker. That's the Rhino. One of the meanest villains Spider-Man's ever had to tangle with. More star candy. And finally, is that? It is. The Doc Ock, Dr. Octopus, in the form of a yo-yo.
Now let's open up a Kinder Surprise egg.
Wow, a Kinder Surprise to cap things off.
Morgan, you can also take this chocolate on your trip.
Well, thank you, that's very kind of you. I could use some fruits, though. I wouldn't want to get scurvy along the way.
Sorry, I only have chocolate.
I'll take what I can get. What do we have there? This appears to be a Marvel Kinder Surprise egg. And when we open up the flyer, what do we find? Ah, characters from the Marvel world.
Who's your favorite superhero?
I'm a big fan of the Incredible Hulk.
He's so strong.
Very strong and wears purple pants. Who did we get today? Ah, Venom. When you pop his head off like so, you can put on different heads as well. See right into the top of his scalp there.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to watch more unboxing videos with your favorite animal friends.
Spider-Man and some planes. We got doodads and shooter things and yo-yos and Venom. Okay, bye.